Welcome back to my channel, lovelies. I trust you're doing fantastic. As you can tell from the description, I will be showing you the full process of how I created this flawless, long-lasting bridal look using some of my favorite products and brands. Before we continue, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming tutorials and vlogs. Let's dive in. So first off, before we jump into the makeup, the hairstyle is key. I always make sure the hair is installed before I start glamming. Having the hair laid first makes it so much easier for me to work on the makeup without any disruptions and everything just flows better. How long does it take for one to learn styling?
Depend on the individual. Though. If you're ready to learn 1 week, it's possible.
1 week for
Very
styling.
possible. Yes, now. We do 5 days class, like Monday to Friday,
Person
5 days class.
actually start. That means the person already knows the
The basics, yeah.
So,
the essentials. If not,
no, if the person can fix, the person can install very well. Stylist does not have problem.
I'm just saying.
She's talking like starting from scratch.
Oh, from scratch, no, not possible.
Because before any makeup goes on, skincare is key. I always start by prepping the skin to ensure the makeup stays on flawlessly all day long. I'm using Garnier cleansing water to cleanse her face. If you've been following me for a while now, you already know me. That's my baby girl for life. I can't do without her. She's absolutely the best, one of the best, you know. So I'm using Garnier cleansing water to cleanse her face, followed by Skin by Zaron brightening toner. Next is moisturizer and primer. I'm using the COSRS Snail Mucin cream. I love this cream. I love how it creates a natural glow and help your skin appear healthier by providing that nourishment and moisture to the skin. And I also like the fact that I love the fact that it glides on seamlessly. One thing you don't want to do when prepping the skin is to rush. Do not rush, take your time. So after using the brush to apply it, I also go ahead, to just massage everything into the skin. Take your time. When I'm prepping my bright skin, it takes me about 25 to 30 minutes. I don't care, I take time because this is the foundation of it all. If you don't get it right, forget about it. I always make sure to prep the bride's lips with a hydrating lip balm. This step is so important to keep our lips moisturized, especially before we apply any long wear lipstick later on. Dry lips are a no-no for wedding makeup. If I'm being honest, this is like one of my most used primer when it comes to bridal looks. This right here, it's like magic. How it holds the foundation on your face is like magic. It initially felt tight on the skin, but once it dries up, your face feels like a blank, smooth canvas that's ready to take on any makeup application. Trust me, this is like the best product I've ever used when it comes to my bridal makeup process so far. Next, I'm going in with one of my favorite foundations. This one is perfect for brides because it's medium coverage, almost full coverage, but still gives you a natural skin-like finish. It's great to choose a foundation that will look good in photos and stay put through all the happy tears. I'm using the Reed Technique Seamless Complexion Brush 241. This brush is ideal for cream and liquid foundations. If you want a perfect buffed and airbrush finish, this brush is a go-to. I recommend this brush. This is my all-time favorite. I always use it. You've seen me use it a million times. Now I'm adding some dimension with a bit of contouring. I'm using cream contour to sculpt our cheekbones and define our nose. For brides, I love a subtle contour that enhances their natural features. I don't overdo it. I'm using MAC Studio Finish Concealer to brighten our under eyes and cover any blemishes. MAC Studio Finish Concealer has been my OG for years. It doesn't look or feel heavy at all, and it doesn't require a lot of work when applying it. It blends really well, covers so beautifully, and doesn't dry out the under eyes, which I love so much. Blush is next. I'm using a rosy toned blush to give her a healthy bridal glow. It adds just the right amount of color to her cheeks. Setting spray to help the cream product seamlessly melt into the skin, giving a more natural finish. Allowing it to dry completely is key to getting the best results. Letting it dry prevents the makeup from being disturbed or streaking, which can happen if you touch or move it when still wet. For the eyes, I used my go-to neutral eyeshadow palette. We want something timeless and elegant, a little shimmer on the lids and matte browns in the crease to create that perfect bridal glam. Keeping the eyeliner soft and smudged to add definition without being too harsh. We're also popping on some lashes for that extra drama, but still keeping it bridal appropriate. And of course, we can't forget the brows. I'm using a brow pencil to lightly define our brows, keeping them soft and natural looking. For the lips, I'm using a long-lasting liquid lipstick in a brown and pink nude shade. I love this formula because it stays on through all the eating and drinking, perfect for brides. Using my favorite translucent powder to lock in everything. This powder is my go-to for bridal makeup because it's lightweight and doesn't look cakey. Plus, it keeps the makeup fresh all day long. Final touches, I'm just going back with my liquid eyeliner to just line the eyes, concealer to define the brows, and just normal, as a makeup artist, after you're done, you're still going to go back, touch anything that needs to be corrected. So that's what I'm just basically doing right now, setting spray to just lock in everything. I'm adding a bit of highlighter on her cheekbones, forehead, and bridge of her nose for that bridal glow, and voila! My bride is glowing, camera ready, and looking absolutely stunning for our big day. I always aim for a timeless, elegant look that will last all day and photograph beautifully. Thank you for watching me glam my bride using some of my favorite products. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more makeup tutorials and behind the scenes content. And to all my amazing brides to be, I can't wait to glam you up for your big day.
Say hi.
Hello.